Hi Randall. So I thought I can make a video on explaining how things work. Um, so the first question you have, so the first two entries in the form have no PDFs made. Ladder does now, but let me check. Um, okay, so this was added as combined one. Like before, three. Three applications were added in the same cell. I don't know how that happened, but each row should have its own application. So we should not have multiple. So that has happened before. I don't know how it happened, but now I moved them to separate rows. Now it has generated the PDFs. Okay, so I haven't scheduled dates for it, but they said done. Okay, so done is for form responses, right? So here it says done. The reason is this is for the ready data. Okay, so this is for the ready data. This one, prep data one. So here, this done says this was, all these rows are processed, the data is processed and moved to the application PDFs. So this sheet. So when they are moved to this sheet, only then you can see the PDFs. So I have added done. The reason is without done, um, um, I mean, the PDFs will not be created. Okay, so when you archive the form responses, done will also be removed automatically. But when there is a new entry, this will be blank. Okay, so the in the first step, when the applications the prep data in step one, it looks through all the rows, checks this one. For example, if it checks this one, it has three applications. It pastes all three applications in this sheet and mark it as done. Okay, so we have this script running continuously, right? So the script checks whether this is already processed or not. If it is already processed, then it will skip it. Okay, so the done is only to move the data from responses to application PDFs. Okay, so it's once it is moved to application PDFs, then it will create the PDFs. Okay, so this is nothing to do with the PDF creation. It is only to move the data from form responses to application PDFs. Okay, so I think this is clear now. Okay, I'll look at the next one. Um, okay, I do not know how to use archive application PDF. Right. So as we have a lot of 12 or 10, 12 applications, right? So the existing script where I pasted it here, uh, okay, where I pasted it here in the main script, you can open this one and go to PDF FN, click generate PDFs. Okay, so I have added a lot of applications here, but the script, the app script has a limitation. So it has ran out of memory. The text is full now, so I'm not able to add one more script. So for pen hip, I created a separate script. Okay, again here you can click. So generate PDF, you have to do it in these two scripts if you want to do it manually. But we have set up the triggers, right? So every 15 minutes it's going to take care of it. Okay, right. So what is master sheet? This is the master sheet. Okay, I hope this is clear. I never looked at the application sheet. I see that everyone that is missing. Yeah, so yes, so until we add the schedule time, this will not create the PDF. Skipped date is not yet updated. So until this is updated, this will not be it will not generate the PDF. Okay, I hope this is also clear. When I enter a date on the application PDF sheet, will the PDFs? Yes, this is a then the PDFs will be made. Yeah, so you will have to add the script. When you add the script, I'm sorry. When you add the schedule date, okay, so let's say this is the row. If you add the schedule date here, the script which runs automatically, like every 15 minutes, it's going to update it automatically. Okay, so but if you want to have it right now, you can go to the scripts, go to masters again, open main script. This is the main script, and click generate PDF, run it. That's all. And again, go to the second script. The pen hip is here. Again, generate PDFs, run. So it will scan through all the sheets and it will generate the PDFs. Okay, do we know why there is any scheduled days on these? Nielsen example, it's in the form sheet and has scheduled date. Yet in the application PDF. Okay, so in the form sheet, this is the form sheet. Where is the schedule time? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, you're adding here. I didn't know this. Uh, okay, there is one more field here. I didn't know about this one. Okay. Okay, I think I get it. I get it. I know requested dates. Requested dates. Requested dates. Where is it? Um, yeah, this is the requested dates. Um, but for the scheduled time, okay, did you add it recently? Because I didn't know that we have this. Um, okay, okay, then I need to check. Okay, so when it is added here, you want it to be updated here automatically, correct? Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, next one, let me look at it. I looked at the archive application PDF sheet. It has many scheduled days and similar to my question in the last email. If I add a schedule, yes, it will. You need to add the schedule date here. Do you need to run a script in order to? Yeah, it will run periodically, like every 15. We have set up automatically, right? So if you want to run it manually, you can do that. As in the last email, do we know why there are no scheduled days they entered in the? Yeah, so this one I didn't know. Frankly speaking, I didn't know that there is one new column here, or maybe it's a old column, and maybe I did not check it. Probably it's my mistake. Okay, so whenever you add it here, you want that to be coming here, right? Okay, okay. So there is a problem here. So when a form entry has made, it will the script automatically moves this here. Okay, so if if the schedule time is missing here, then it will also miss here. So if you can add in this sheet, actually, if you add in this sheet, then only it will generate the PDFs. Okay. I think I hope I'm clear now. Or maybe if you want to have a quick call, we can have connect and discuss these things. Maybe I'm missing some of your points, so that I can understand better. Um, okay. Okay. All right then. Let me know your thoughts. I'll be waiting.